think all of these are correct, you are making a big mistake. Dear students, do you know multiples come from multiplying? Multiples are numbers you get when you multiply a number by 1, 2, 3 up to so on. For example, multiples of 8 are when we multiply 8 by 1, we get 8. 8 multiplied by 2, we get 16. 8 multiplied by 3 is equal to 24. 8 multiplied by 4 is equal to 32. 8 multiplied by 5, we get 40. So, students, multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40 and up to so on. Dear students, remember these. Multiples go on and on. They never end.